Hello, buddy. Okay, today we are going to be playing parkour again. And I have, some more information on my trip. Right. So, apparently I'm actually not allowed to do a face reveal. So I can't do that, so I'm not doing that. But I will be vlogging there daily on my GoPro, and I am going to I have this GoPro, and I can't find the charger for it, but it's dead, but I need the charger for it, but it doesn't record sound. So yeah, actually I'm not going to be using that GoPro. I might be just using my iPad. You're kidding me, I keep on missing that. How do I keep on missing that? How did that kill me? I mean, it might have killed a person. That could have killed me in real life, but this definitely could, but dump at the bottom. What do I do? Yeet. Ha. Oh no. I need to try to land on the spawn button, because that's the last thing I'm gonna hit before I die. Yes, I hit it! But I'm still up here. Are you kidding me? This is what I do trying to get down. I hit the S button, dang it. Why wouldn't it let me go forward? I don't know why. Now, where do I go? I may or may not be stuck. I am stuck. So here's what I'm gonna do. Yeet. What? NatePlaysRoblox.com? That's weird. Why do you play Roblox.com? Why can't you play Roblox? Why be playing Roblox.com when you can play just Roblox? Oh. And then I ran on a wall. It might be something like Jesus or something. But not really much of a parkour master because I can't even make that jump. Finally made it. Okay, so yeah, I'm not gonna really be able to do a face reveal. That's why I heard music. I don't care. I don't want to go near it anyway and get copyrighted. Oh my gosh, I only have 1 health left. Yes, I made my character ugly. There we go, done. Okay, yeah, that's most likely copyright music. Oh no. Okay, I might be recording on my iPad though. So yeah, sorry if it's not the best quality. But still, I'm still gonna be doing daily vlogs there, like in Galveston, like, you know, vlogs for my trip. Weird. Why do so many people need an exorcist? That's right, an exorcist office. Dang it. Yeah, let's play a different game then. Okay. Alright. Ace Attorney. I've seen someone play this before. Yeah. Oh, they fixed spamming? Why? That's the only reason I come to Ace Attorney for. Dumb stuff and spamming. It's 8:22 a.m. as you can see. Yes, I would. Okay, I've played this before. I'm gonna be the judge. I'm the judge. Second. Oh my gosh. There's music in the background. Right. Oh, my stomach hurts. Good thing we're going to Galveston at the end of the month. Oh. Yes, he does. Okay, that doesn't make anything different. Oh my gosh. Stop. Get it. Good job. Z and Z. Just fix the spamming? I thought they fixed the spamming. My stomach hurts. Meow. Time for me to say mayonnaise. Mayonnaise. Like the best thing I can say here. Relish. Relish. Mustard.
Objection!
Ketchup. Hot dog. I used to actually be yes, the hot dog was it. Who murdered the hot dog? Who murdered the hot dog? murdered the hot dog? I said, who murdered the hot dog? Order. Duck. You murdered hot dog. Little duck, you murdered hot dog. Duck. Yes, you did. 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 My cat died. Zara did it. Zara killed the hot dog. Zara killed the hot dog. Oh my gosh. Well, yes. Yes, she did. Yes, she did. No. Yes. Yes. But I am defense. You did it. Well, yeah, make sure to like and subscribe. I don't know why, but Pablito. Objection! I hate y'all. What do you mean?